If you're coming to Iceland and still planning to use an international roaming plan, buy a pocket Wi-Fi, or wait until you land to figure it out, stop. There's a better way. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what an eSIM is, why it makes the most sense for traveling around Iceland, and how to set it up in less than 5 minutes. Because let's be real, when you're traveling in Iceland, your phone is not just for scrolling. You're using it for navigation, texting your friends and family back home, checking live weather conditions, looking up road closures, booking tours, translating menus, checking exchange rates. You need reliable data here, not just sometimes, all the time. So what even is an eSIM? Simple. An eSIM is a digital SIM card. Instead of swapping out the physical SIM card on your phone or carrying a pocket Wi-Fi device with you, all you have to do is download an app and install your plan before you travel. That's it. No store visits, no bringing a safety pin to get that little card out. An eSIM means that your phone is ready to use right when you land. The eSIM company that I recommend for Iceland travelers is called KnowRoaming, and they make it super simple, fast to install, and it works immediately when you get here. And what's also cool is that they offer plans in over 200 countries. So it doesn't just need to work in Iceland. If you're continuing to Europe or doing any other travels after that, you can use the same company and the same plan. It's important to note that an eSIM is not calls and texting. It means that you're connected via data so that you're able to do all of the things online that you need to do while you're traveling in Iceland, which is what most travelers use anyway. Iceland already has strong, reliable mobile coverage. So you're covered on the Ring Road, Golden Circle, Snæfellsnes, Reykjavik, all of the common places that you're gonna wanna go. It's so simple. You land, turn off your airplane mode, and you're connected. Now, let me show you exactly how to set this up. First, go to the link in my description and choose the plan for Iceland. And if you use my code Iceland10, you get 10% off. Download the app. The KnowRoaming app is available for both iOS and Android, so download it before your trip. And then all you have to do is open the app, follow a few prompts, put in your details, and then you can select Install eSIM. This is an automatic in-app installation. It takes less than 5 minutes. There are no tech skills required. Now, you can install it at home, but make sure to wait to activate it when you land in Iceland. All you have to do for that is switch your data line to the KnowRoaming eSIM in your settings and you're good to go. Now this is all super simple, but if you do run into issues, KnowRoaming actually offers 24/7 support through WhatsApp, which is super helpful if you're troubleshooting or needing any assistance while traveling. So here are a few questions you might have about eSIMs. Do I keep my main number? Yes. Your physical SIM card stays in your phone, or if you have the newer phones that don't use SIM cards anymore, everything stays as is. Can I still use iMessage or WhatsApp? Yes, because those still run on data. Is hotel Wi-Fi enough? In my opinion, no. Not when you're driving around Iceland, because if you're only planning on having Wi-Fi when you're stopping at the hotel at night, that means that you're going through the whole day without navigation, checking road conditions, checking the weather report. For me, when I'm traveling, I want to have reliable data all day long. So you might be wondering if an eSIM is the best option for you. An eSIM is perfect for people who are renting their own car, traveling around the country, don't want to carry extra devices or have things like in your pocket that you have to charge, and those that want service immediately when they land. So here's the deal. If staying connected while you're in Iceland feels confusing, let me just tell you that this is the simplest solution that I found. It's quick to set up, super convenient, and just removes one more thing from your mental to-do list. The link is in the description to set up your eSIM, and if you use my code Iceland10, you get 10% off your plan. One less thing to worry about, and that's the goal. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, happy planning.